Hello there, my name is Seve. Today I will be exploring solving quadratics by factoring. We have the equation y squared plus 8y plus 15 equals 0. We must solve for y. A good way to solve for y is to factor the left-hand side of the equation into binomials. Because this equation equals 0, one or more of the binomials will have to equal 0. We need to find two numbers, we will call them a and b, that have a sum of 8 and a product of 15. A plus b will equal 8, while a times b will equal 15. What are these numbers? 5 and 3. 5 plus 3 equals 8, and 5 times 3 equals 15. To factor by grouping, we must split the middle term of 8y. Y squared plus 5y plus 3y plus 15 equals 0. We must then group. We shall group y squared plus 5 and 3y plus 15. This becomes y times y plus 5 into parentheses plus 3 times y plus 5. And of course, we can't forget that this equals 0. Now, these both have y plus 5 in their parentheses. Therefore, we will factor out y plus 5. So, we have y plus 5 times y plus 3. So you write that in there, y plus 3. We end the parentheses there, and of course, as always, it equals 0. Since we know that y plus 5 times y plus 3 equals 0, we know that one of these equations must equal 0. Obviously, both of these binomials cannot equal 0 at the same time, as in order for y plus 5 to equal 0, y would need to be negative 5, as negative 5 plus 5 equals 0. But for y plus 3 to equal 0, y would need to be negative 3, as negative 3 plus 3 equals 0. So, obviously, these cannot both equal 0 simultaneously. In order to determine the value of y, we isolate the variable. Y plus 3 equals 0 turns into y equals negative 3. Then y plus 5 equals 0 becomes y equals negative 5. Now, these solutions satisfy the equation of y squared plus 8y plus 15 equals 0. But, as per usual, we must check our answers. First, we will check the answer of y equals negative 3. We substitute negative 3 in y, and therefore, negative 3 squared, negative 3 times negative 3, will equal 9. 9 plus 8 times negative 3. Well, 8 times 3 would be 8, 16, 24. But since it's negative 3, it becomes a negative 24. So that plus sign becomes a minus 24 plus 15. That must equal 0. As 9 minus 24 plus 15 does equal 0. Now we substitute our answer of -5 into y squared. -5 squared, or -5 times -5, would equal a positive 25. Now with y equaling -5, -5 times a positive 8 would be -40. So minus 40 plus 15 does indeed equal a 0. Now, obviously, this was a quite effective solution, but sometimes there are faster, simpler ways of doing things. Let me just clear off the board and I will show you. Now, as long as we know that the coefficient of y squared is 1, we know that it simplifies into the set of binomials y plus 5 and y plus 3. Well, you see, y squared factors down into y times y. These middle terms are merely the products of y times the factors of 15. What are the factors of 15? Well, that's obviously, it's 5 and 3. This method is useful as it allows you to skip a few steps and still get the correct answer. And remember, my name was Seve. Thank you for spending the afternoon with me. This has been Factoring Quadratics, sir. I think that was great.